back to my channel. 2020, whoop, 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 whoop. So as you can tell by the title, I am here to review this gorgeous hair. This cheap quality gorgeous hair. So stay tuned, get your drink, get your snack. It's not gonna be a long video, I promise you. Love you, stay tuned. Hi guys, happy new year. It's your girl Trudy. This is your first time seeing me after Christmas, after New Year. I hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. I hope you all had a great Christmas and I hope you all had a great New Year. I'm here today to do a review. One second. I'm here today to review this hair. This nice looking Yaki hair. This is how it looks at the back. And this is how it looks sideways. And this is the front. So I've literally done like swoop to the side, half up, half down kind of situation. I'm on my way to work. Well, I'm getting ready for work, so yes. So I got this hair from Aliexpress from a store called Gem Beauty Supply, official store, Gem Beauty. So this is a Yaki wig, if you can tell. Let me just come closer for you to see. It is a Yaki wig. I've worn this to work and literally everyone at work keeps asking me, is this your hair? Is this your hair? It looks so fluffy and nice and bouncy and everything. So yeah, I have to keep telling them that no, this is not my hair, but the fact that it looks so natural for people to even think that it's my hair is amazing. So it came in a box like that, this box, yeah. So I got it in the color natural and it's a 24-inch hair, and it says here 100% human hair. Yeah, so this is the box it came in, and oops, sorry, literally it came wrapped in this thing, and that little net, soft net that usually when you purchase hair you get it in. I'm not a pro at putting on lace wigs, so I had to like try so hard to do, for people to be asking me like if it's my real hair, that means it looks really natural. And it came with this lovely eyelash. You know, usually the eyelashes that come with the hair, they're really fake, but this one looks really real. Like I nearly wore it the other day when I went out for a party, but I ended up not wearing it because I've got long lashes anyway, natural long lashes anyway. So I was like, I'm running late and I have to take my time to wear lashes, because obviously because I don't normally wear lashes, I don't have skills in wearing lashes. Look at look at this. This is so beautiful and it looks so natural. It doesn't look plasticky at all. It looks like natural hair. I don't know if the camera is catching it really well, but yeah, it doesn't look plasticky at all, because normally when they give us lashes with the hair, I don't like them. I never wear them. I always chuck them away because they don't look natural at all. But this one looks amazing, so I really appreciated it. Okay, so back to the hair. I got it in the 24-inch length and it comes pre-plucked. I didn't have to do anything to the front. It comes pre-plucked with baby hair lace front. So this is a lace front. It's not a full lace, it's a lace front. Remy hair wig, Yaki lace front wig. So that's what it says. Like this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Like, seriously, it came looking like that. It looks like my natural hair, and I love it. I love it. And it's not expensive at all. Price range starts from £47 to 130, whatever. So the longer the length, the higher the price is. So yeah, the starting price is £47, which is not bad at all. I really love this hair, like I really do. I really do. And like I said, I'm not a pro in lace wigs and whatnot, so mate, all I could do with it was this, what you see now, and it still looks good. So for those of you who are pros in wearing wigs and lace wigs, trust me, you would love this. And it's so not expensive. So I got the 24-inch and mine came up to 159 and a bit. I don't know if you guys can see it. Mine came up to 159 and a bit. And trust me, it did not take long to come. Shipping is free. So I bought this on the 15th of Jan. And I got it in like 5 days. Yeah, I bought it on the 15th of January and it was delivered to me on the 22nd. So roughly a week. So it takes 5 to 7 days for you to receive your shipping, and you can track it. Let me cover my address and show you lot. So on here you can see when it came, when it was shipped and everything like that. You can track your item, which is really good. It hasn't shed. I haven't put any product in this. I haven't put no product in this. So I haven't put any oils, any serums. I haven't done nothing to this hair. So I literally got it out of the bag, combed it. It didn't have any strong scents, so I didn't even wash it. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even wash the hair because I had a party to go to on Saturday. So this is the hair that I wore for the party, and I didn't have time to like wash it, do all of that. I didn't have to pre-pluck because it was plucked already and it looked natural on the ends. I don't know how to slay it, so obviously this is what I can do with it, like I said before, but it is amazing. The hair is so soft. Look at this. It is so soft and it looks really natural. Everyone loves it. I had people, oh, can I feel your hair? Can I touch? And I was like, yeah, help yourself. Touch the hair, touch away. Because like it looks amazing. Like I literally just got it out of the bag, combed it, brushed it, stuck it on my head, and I'm good to go. And yeah, I love it. I love it. So this is the side profile in the back. This is the front, and this is the other side, and that's the back. Like, it's not heavy at all. The density is 150, and I haven't had any shedding. I sleep with this hair. I only just tie my perimeter, my head, my edges, yeah, because obviously you need to preserve your edges for your glue to stay and blah blah blah, blah, all that good stuff. Yeah, so I just put something here and I sleep with this hair. No nuts, no. I can run my hands through it like easily. In the morning I just comb it and it's like fluffy all over again. Like, trust me, look at the way it's moving. Like, guys, trust me, you would love this hair. So you better get your coins and go get this hair. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, so you are getting an honest opinion from me. It is not, and I repeat, it is not a sponsored video. So anytime I buy things off of Aliexpress, I do read the reviews, because boy, if you don't, you're gonna mug yourself off big time. And sometimes they don't even pay back your money and stuff like that. So man, you've got to be careful. So yeah, I'm really liking this hair. Obviously the picture shows you how you can pack it as well. Like, there you go. You can hold it up, pack it, you can swoop it to the side, you can do whatever you want with it. It is amazing stuff. I'm gonna put a little video of what I looked like in my hair, because I had it down, I hadn't held it up or anything like that. Guys, you need to subscribe. When I see you guys in person and you guys are telling me, oh, I watched your video, blah 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 blah, giving me your comments, I don't want to hear it in person. I want to see it underneath my comments, underneath the video, in the comment section. Comment, like, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I wish you the very best for 2020. Bring on 2020. This is the first video, and I'm gonna be filming a 2019 favorites, like the items that I liked, be it makeup, facial stuff, everything. I'm gonna be filming it for you guys, so just let me know what you want to see from me in 2020. Is up and up. Like, we're not slacking. After this video, I'm gonna be doing back to back videos. I'm gonna be doing back to back videos, guys. Hold me to this if I don't deliver, because I promised you lot last year that I was gonna do better. So yeah, please hold me to it if I don't do it. Bash me in the comment section if I don't do it. Oh god. I hope you liked it. I hope you stay. I hope you share. I hope you get this hair. It's so nice, guys. It's really nice. So get this hair for yourself, or you can get it for your loved one, or guys, you can get this for your girls for Valentine's Day, because there's this meme going around that a guy got a girl flowers, and she used the flowers to beat the guy up, telling him, I told you I want a wig, I told you I want a wig, not flowers for Valentine's Day, I told you I want a wig. So yes, get your girl this wig, and she's not gonna beat you up with the flowers that you paid for her on Valentine's Day. I'm here. 2020 whoop whoop is forward and up, no downward spiral. No, we don't want it. You guys, I hope you loved this review, and I'll be coming back with more reviews for you lot, so stay tuned. And I'm gonna be filming a lot like I promised you last year. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I've got to change my clothes and go to work. I love you guys so much. Bye.